Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of artificial intelligence and uncovering 13 powerful AI tools that can help you make money. Whether you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, or just looking to boost your revenue, these AI tools are sure to take your success to new heights. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have AI-driven personalization. This incredible tool analyzes user behavior, preferences, and past interactions to deliver personalized experiences. By providing customers with precisely what they need, businesses can increase engagement and conversions, leading to more revenue. Personalization has never been easier. Imagine visiting an online store, and it greets you by name, suggesting products that align with your previous purchases. That's the magic of AI-driven personalization. It helps businesses build stronger connections with their customers, fostering loyalty and driving repeat sales. By tailoring the user experience to individual preferences, businesses can create a personalized shopping journey that keeps customers coming back for more. Next on our list are chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered assistants have revolutionized customer support. With instant responses to inquiries and the ability to automate repetitive tasks, businesses can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Happy customers mean more repeat business and more money in the bank. Think about the last time you had a question on a website and a helpful chat window popped up to assist you. That's the power of AI-driven chatbots. They provide real-time support, answer frequently asked questions, and guide customers through the buying process. By resolving queries instantly and effectively, chatbots enhance customer experience and reduce the burden on human customer service agents, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. With happier customers and streamlined operations, businesses can boost their reputation and revenue. Predictive Analytics is another game changer. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can forecast future trends, identify potential customer churn, and optimize pricing strategies. Armed with this valuable insight, companies can make data-driven decisions that maximize profitability and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Gone are the days of relying on intuition to make business decisions. Predictive Analytics leverages historical data, market trends, and customer behavior to identify patterns and make accurate predictions. For instance, a retail business can analyze purchasing patterns to anticipate product demand and ensure adequate stock levels. Likewise, an e-commerce platform can use predictive analytics to identify customers likely to churn and proactively engage them with personalized offers. By anticipating market changes and aligning strategies accordingly, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and secure a steady revenue stream. Our next AI tool focuses on automated email marketing. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can create personalized, relevant, and timely email campaigns. Analyzing user behavior, these tools send automated emails, increasing the likelihood of conversions and repeat sales. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson. Email marketing has long been a staple for businesses seeking to connect with their customers. However, manually managing email campaigns can be time-consuming and inefficient. AI-powered automated email marketing changes the game by automating the process. These tools can segment the audience based on various factors, such as past purchases, website interactions, and preferences, to deliver targeted and relevant content. By sending the right message to the right audience at the right time, businesses can nurture leads, drive conversions, and boost customer retention, all of which contribute to a healthier bottom line. Pricing optimization is a must-have for any business. AI-driven pricing tools constantly monitor market dynamics, competitor pricing, and customer demand. With dynamic pricing, businesses can stay competitive and optimize revenue based on real-time data. It's a win-win. Determining the optimal price for products or services can be a complex and ever-changing challenge. That's where AI-powered pricing optimization comes in. These tools continuously analyze market conditions, competitor pricing, and customer behavior to adjust prices accordingly. For example, a ride-sharing service can raise prices during peak hours when demand is high, and lower them during off-peak times to attract more users. By finding the sweet spot between profitability and customer demand, pricing optimization ensures businesses remain competitive and maximize revenue. Now, let's talk about AI fraud detection. This tool uses machine learning algorithms to identify suspicious activities and potential fraudsters. By minimizing fraud-related losses, businesses can protect their revenues and build trust among customers. Safety and profit go hand in hand. In the digital era, fraud and cyber threats are significant concerns for businesses of all sizes. AI-powered fraud detection systems act as a vigilant shield against fraudulent activities. These tools analyze massive amounts of data in real time, looking for patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior. By detecting and preventing fraud early on, businesses can safeguard their finances, reduce chargebacks, and maintain a secure environment for their customers. Trust is a valuable asset in the business world, and AI fraud detection helps preserve it. Content creation and curation are essential for successful marketing. AI-powered content creation tools can generate blog posts, social media updates, and product descriptions, saving time and resources. Additionally, AI curation tools help businesses find and share relevant content, increasing engagement and brand visibility. Content is the backbone of any successful marketing strategy. However, creating high-quality content consistently can be a challenge. AI content creation tools are here to lend a helping hand. These tools use natural language processing algorithms to generate compelling and relevant content. Whether it's a blog post, social media update, or product description, AI can do it all. Additionally, AI curation tools sift through vast amounts of content on the internet to find pieces that align with a brand's message and values. By automating content creation and curation, businesses can maintain a strong online presence, drive traffic to their platforms, and ultimately increase their revenue. Image and video analysis is next on our list. AI tools for image and video analysis offer valuable insights into consumer behavior and preferences. By understanding how customers interact with visual content, businesses can refine their marketing strategies and boost the effectiveness of advertising campaigns. In today's visually oriented world, image and video content play a crucial role in marketing success. AI image and video analysis tools can extract valuable data from visual content, such as customer emotions, preferences, and interactions. For example, an e-commerce platform can use AI image analysis to identify which product images garner the most attention and engagement. Armed with this data, businesses can optimize their visual content,